Hello friends, I am back and we are reading the 5th chapter of 5th class Tulip English book. The name of the chapter is Ranji's Wonderful Bat. I have read half of this chapter in my previous two videos and we are continuing after that. So let's read with me. At lunch break, he had scored 40. When Suraj closed the innings, Ranji was not out for 58. The rival team was bowled out for a poor score and Ranji's school won the match. On his way home, Ranji stopped at Mr. Kumar's shop to give him the good news. "We won," he said, "and I made 58, my highest score so far. It really is a lucky bat." "I told you so," said Mr. Kumar, giving Ranji a warm handshake. "There will be bigger scores yet." Ranji went home in high spirits. Mr. Kumar was right, it was only the beginning of Ranji's success with the bat. In the next game he scored 40. The game that followed was a two-day match and Ranji made 45 runs. In the second innings, when the school team needed only 60 runs for victory, Ranji was batting with 25 when the winning runs were hit. Everyone was pleased with him, his coach, his captain Suraj and his teammates, but no one knew about the lucky bat. That was a secret between Ranji and Mr. Kumar. One evening during an informal match, Ranji's friend Bhim slipped while running after the ball and cut his hand on a sharp stone. Ranji took him to a doctor where the wound was washed and bandaged. As it was getting late, he decided to go straight home. He caught a bus near the clock tower. When he reached home, his mother brought him a cup of tea. While he was drinking it, she said, "Ranji, where is your bat?" "Oh, I must have left it on the Maidan when Bhim got hurt," said Ranji, starting up. "I had better go and get it now or it will disappear." He ran all the way to the Maidan. The Maidan was deserted and there was no sign of the bat. Then Ranji remembered that he had had it with him on the bus after saying goodbye to Bhim at the clock tower. He must have left it on the bus. He had never found it now. The bat was lost forever and on Saturday, Ranji's school would be playing their last and most important match against a visiting team from Delhi. Next day he was at Mr. Kumar's shop looking very sorry for himself. "What's the matter?" asked Mr. Kumar. "I have lost the bat," said Ranji. "Your lucky bat. The one I made all those runs with. I left it on the bus. And day after tomorrow we are playing the Delhi school and I will be out for a duck and we will lose. Lost our chance of being the district champions." Mr. Kumar smiled and said, "You can still make all the runs you want. But I don't have the bat anymore," said Ranji. "Any bat will do," said Mr. Kumar. "What do you mean?" "I mean it's the batsman and not the bat that matters. Shall I tell you something? That old bat I gave you was no different from any other bat I have used. True, I made a lot of runs with it, but I made runs with other bats too. What you needed was confidence, not a bat. And by believing in the bat, you got your confidence back." "What's confidence?" said Ranji. "Confidence," said Mr. Kumar slowly. "Confidence, knowing you are good. And I can be good without the bat. Of course, you have always been good. You are good now. Remember that. If you remember it, you will make the runs." On Saturday, Ranji walked to the wicket with a bat borrowed from Bhim. Their team had lost its first wicket with only 2 runs on the board. The Delhi school's opening bowler was sending down some really fast ones. Ranji faced up to him. The first ball was very fast, quick on his feet. Ranji stepped back and pulled it hard to the on-boundary. The ball soared over the heads of the fielders and landed with a crash in a crate full of cold drink bottles. A 6. Everyone stood up and cheered. And it was only the beginning of Ranji's wonderful innings. The match ended in a draw, but Ranji's 75 was the talk of the school. On his way home, he bought a dozen laddus for Mr. Kumar. So that's the end of your story. This story is written by Ruskin Bond. So friends, I will explain this chapter in my upcoming videos. In these videos, I have read this chapter so that it will improve your reading skills. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Till then, it's bye bye.